Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Nayyar Iqbal. As you know, students, we are solving radical equations. So, in this case, we have already studied three types of radical equations. In this lecture, we shall start fourth type of radical equations, in which you see there will be two quadratic polynomials under the radical signs, and on right hand side you will see sometime a constant or sometime a linear polynomial. So this constant and linear polynomial is actually a factor of the difference of these two polynomials which are given under the radical sign. So students, these questions are typical but very easy, not difficult. So see how we solve these questions. Okay students, this is type number 8, radical equations of the form. ये हमारे पास दो क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल्स हैं अंडर द स्क्वायर रूट. On right hand side there is a linear term where mx plus n is a factor of this difference. So we shall consider मेथड क्या है. ये जो स्क्वायर रूट वाली रकम है, कंसीडर ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी, दिस इज इक्वल टू ए. दिस इम्प्लाइज ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर, एंड पी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस क्यू एक्स प्लस आर, इट्स स्क्वायर रूट, लेट दिस बी बी, which means px square plus qx plus r is equal to b square. So given equation becomes that is a plus b is equal to mx plus n. So in this way we shall solve this question. Number 4, solution. If this is equation number A, put 3x square minus 7x minus 30, its square root, that is equal to A, and 2x square minus 7x minus 5 square root, this is equal to b. If we say these two terms a and b, okay, this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. So the given equation becomes a minus b, that is equal to x minus 5. This is equation number 4. Now scaling. अब हम इक्वेशन 2 और 3 को स्केयर करते हैं. Now scaling and subtracting equations 2 and 3, विच मीन्स कि हम इन दोनों का जब स्केयर करेंगे तो ये स्केयर रूट साइन ख़त्म हो जाएगा. सो वी हैव दिस इज 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x माइनस 30, दिस इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर, एंड 2x स्क्वायर minus 7x minus 5, this is equal to b square, and we want to subtract, so minus, here is plus, this is plus, plus and minus. In this way we have x square minus 25, this is equal to a square minus b square, which can be written as a plus b into a minus b. This is equal to x plus 5 and x minus 5. This is equation number 5. Now dividing equation 5 by इक्वेशन 4। इक्वेशन 5 को आप इक्वेशन 4 पे डिवाइड कर दें। सो a प्लस बी a माइनस बी डिवाइडेड बाय a माइनस बी, दिस इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 5 एंड x माइनस 5 डिवाइडेड बाय x माइनस 5। ये फैक्टर कैंसिल, ये नेगेटिव वाला कैंसिल। सो वी हैव a प्लस b इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 5। दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 6। adding equation 6 and equation 4 we get, जब आप इन दो इक्वेशंस को ऐड करेंगे we get 2a is equal to 2x which gives a is equal to x. Now here we put the value of a. So we have 3x square minus 7x minus 30, its square root. This is equal to x. So squaring on both sides, we have 3x square minus 7x minus 30, this is equal to x square, which means 2x square minus 7x minus 30, this is equal to 0. Now we factorize this. This will give us 60. So now we make factors of this 60, 230 and 215 and 35. Therefore 2x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 30, this is equal to 0. So 2x is common, x minus 6 plus 5 is common, x minus 6. Therefore x minus 6 and 2x plus 5 is equal to 2, which gives us x is equal to 6 and minus 5. On verification we see minus 5 by 2 is extra root. So solution set, this is equal to 6. Put x square plus x plus 1, this is equal to a. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So x square plus x minus 1, it's under root, this is equal to b, this is equation 3. So equation 1 becomes a minus b equal to 1, this is equation 4. Scaling and subtracting equations 2 and 3. Scaling and subtracting, which means x square plus x plus 1 is equal to a square, x square plus x minus 1 is equal to b square. Now we subtract these two terms, so we have a square minus b square is equal to 2. This is equation number 5. Now divide equation 5 by equation 4. So a plus b, a minus b is equal to 2 divided by 1. Here is a minus b, this will be cancelled. So a plus b is equal to 2. This is equation number 6. Therefore adding equation 4 and equation 6, we have 2a is equal to 3, which gives 3 by 2. Here we put the value of a, that is x square plus x plus 1 its square root, that is 3 by 2. So squaring करने से हमारे पास x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 9 by 4. Now we simplify this. See here, this is 4x square plus 4x plus 4, that is equal to 9. 4x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 9 is equal to 0. 4x plus 4 minus 5 is equal to 0. By using quadratic formula, we have 16 minus 80 plus, and this is 8, which gives minus 4 plus minus 96 divided by 8, and this is minus 4 plus minus 4 6 divided by 8, and this will be given minus 1 plus minus 6 divided by 2. Therefore solution set is minus 1 plus minus 6 divided by 2. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मैं इसी टाइप के आपको मज़ीद क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करवाऊँगा. सो अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. मीट यू इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर.